Okay, family, here we go. This is what I really call a full holiday family dinner. Here we go. Glazed ham. This is gonna be a brown sugar honey bourbon glazed ham. Yep, you read it right. I'm gonna use bourbon whiskey to glaze this baby. So you take it out of the pack. It actually comes cooked or smoked. But if you open this, let me show you. When I open this, this will not make me hungry at all. Remember, if you like this video, like the video, subscribe to my channel, pass it on to your friends and family. So this is how this thing looks. This is not gonna make anybody hungry. Look at that color. It doesn't look any good at all. We're gonna transform this into a beautiful glazed ham for any time of the year. Thanksgiving, the holiday, Christmas, anything. You'll see how this is gonna look at the end. This is the initial product, so this is how it looks. But we're gonna actually cook this for another 3 hours, even though it comes cooked supposedly, but it doesn't look good at all. You'll see how it looks when we're done with this. 275 degrees Fahrenheit. 275 Fahrenheit for 3 hours. 3 hours, 275 degrees Fahrenheit. We'll put this right in the middle of the oven. Let me take one of these shelves out so I have enough space. You don't want it towards the top of your oven. So you put it there in the middle, in the center of the oven. It's gonna be 3 hours, 275 Fahrenheit. So here I have my bourbon honey whiskey. There you go. Now we're talking. So this is the packet that comes with it. Brown sugar, honey, glazed. Yep, brown sugar, honey, glazed. But I'm gonna add bourbon whiskey to this baby, and I'm gonna use the bourbon honey for this one because I wanted to keep that sweet flavor. So I'm gonna use 2 full shots here. Whoops. If you don't like the alcohol, you can leave it out. I mean, I'm doing this because I know it's gonna turn out better in flavor and color with adding the bourbon whiskey to this pre-packed glaze that it comes with the ham. So we make sure they actually incorporate the whiskey with the glaze there. It makes it very well. And this is ready. All you need is a little brush for when we are gonna put this all over the ham. This is a spider ham that comes in spider, already cooked like that. This is bone in. So I like to turn it around like halfway through because sometimes the oven is hotter on one side or the other. So I like to turn it like that. That's optional, but I like to do it that way. So after 3 hours, this is after 3 hours, we're gonna take it here, and this is not ready yet, but it's already looking a lot better than when it came off the package. So it's already looking so good. Now we're gonna paint it with our glaze here. So we're gonna make sure that that glaze goes all over our ham, but not only on the outside. I'm gonna make sure that it goes inside those ribs there. You'll see how I do it. I'm gonna paint this all around, making sure that glaze is all over your ham, and you'll see how beautiful this is gonna come out of the oven the second time. So you just make sure that you apply that glaze all around, both sides, top and bottom. Yep, the brown sugar honey glaze with bourbon whiskey. Ooh la la! You'll see how beautiful this looks, and not only looks, how beautiful actually, how good it tastes. So I'm gonna turn this sideways because I want to make sure that that glaze goes in there, in between all these slices. So just make sure that you pour some of that glaze to go inside those slices there, and there you have it. I'm just gonna put it again, just like that, facing up like that. And we're gonna go into the oven again for another 30 minutes. Yep, this is ready for the oven. I'm gonna use the rest of the glaze here just to make sure it has glaze all over it. There you go. And now we're gonna go back to the oven for another 30 minutes, but this time it's gonna be 400 degrees Fahrenheit. 30 minutes, 30. 30 minutes for 400 degrees Fahrenheit. And you'll see how, ooh, look at that. After 30 minutes, look at how beautiful that is. You see these burnt ends there? Ooh, those are the most, those are the best ones. And you'll see you see the taste and how it looks when we serve this baby. And listen, right off the oven. There you have it. There you have it. The ham, brown sugar, honey, bourbon, whiskey, ham. There you go. Now we're gonna serve this on the table for the family to enjoy. Much better than when it came off the package, right? So let's go to the table. So here you have your glazed ham. Look at how beautiful it looks, and this is how I serve it. This is how I serve it this time around. Look at that beautiful ham. And I have the rice, the flan, I have the potato salad, I have the avocado there. This is my type of family dinner. There you have it. And this is how I serve it. Rice with a little bit of that ham and avocado on top of the rice. Yep, potato salad. And there you have it. Beautiful and super, super delicious. There you have it. Glazed ham, bourbon ham.